The Nubia Neo 5 Max MVP edition is a 7.5-inch giant screen phone. It's safe to say that domestic Chinese phone manufacturers haven't really made many phones with a 7.5-inch screen before. It's an LCD screen, and it's also a limited edition MVP. I think the material is plastic. There's a soccer ball on one side, and it says Neo Max here. The frame is plastic, and it also has shoulder buttons. The power button has a red accent. With a 7.5-inch screen like this, you really can't hold it with one hand. For example, if I want to access the settings, I have to look very closely to reach it. And the motor, from what I've used, seems to be a C-axis rather than a rotor, which definitely deserves praise. Now let's look at the phone's specifications. The Dimensity 7100 processor is a bit hard to say about. The 12256 version has a maximum screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. It's about average for this screen size. The biggest selling point of this phone is its large 7.5-inch screen. Of course, you can't buy it in China, it's mainly for overseas markets.